Did you know that when you search the same thing on Google AIO, Google AI Mode and ChatGPT, they pick different brands 62% of the time? If your WordPress brand isn't optimized the right way, you might be invisible. Let's fix that. A Bright Edge study compared thousands of searches. Link in the description, by the way. And they found Google AIO mentions around 6 brands per query, ChatGPT mentions only about 2, and Google AI Mode is far more selective. That's a huge shift in how visibility works. ChatGPT leans on historical training data. AIO spreads brand mentions wide. AI Mode is picky, citing fewer brands, but with strong external validation, and the result, a citation network effect. Get mentioned once, and you are more likely to show up everywhere. So how do you make your WordPress site visible across all three? Here's the roadmap. Number 1, use commercial intent keywords. Number 2, earn citations, backlinks, reviews, guest posts. Number 3, create deep content coverage. Number 4, keep SEO fundamentals strong, schema, site speed, internal linking. And number 5, test your visibility regularly in AIO, AI Mode, and ChatGPT. Here's a quick audit checklist. Keyword audit for buyer intent, content audit for comparisons, branding audit, who's mentioning you, technical SEO, schema, metadata, and speed, and testing, run searches, track your citations. To conclude, AI search isn't the future, it's happening right now. To win, you need brand mentions, authority, and optimized content. Don't let your WordPress site disappear in AI search. Subscribe, because in the next video I will show you how to build the citation network from scratch. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.